what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. This video is probably going to come out on Christmas Day, so I just wanted to take the time to wish you all a Merry Christmas.
It's Christmas.
And Happy Holidays.
Merry Chrysler.
The weather's been really bad outside lately, and as you can see, there's snow and ice everywhere. So all of my buddies that I usually do car videos with, they're all trapped up north and we're not able to hang out with them and do installs. So today we're going to be doing something else. I picked up my buddy, Daniel, right behind the camera.
Yeah.
So today we're doing a video in the garage on the Supra, and we're gonna talk about the first 5 mods I would do on the Supra. I know I've already installed a lot of car parts on this car, but if I were to restart over, these are the first 5 mods that I would probably do. Holy shit, I'm fucking cold, dude. Damn, bro, she's still looking good. Alright, so I'm actually really glad that we ended up covering the car, because me and Daniel washed the car maybe a week and a half ago, and look how shiny this thing is still underneath. And she's looking really good. I don't remember the last time she was looking this clean.
Yeah. Shiny.
Alright, so let's talk about the first 5 modifications I would do on the Supra. The first one, I'm not going to count as the first one, but I feel like it's very important to talk about this part, is the wind buffeting in the car. So there's the cheap option, which is the $10 Amazon fix. It's basically a door guard that you can just stick on and it fixes the wind buffeting solution. Everybody has $10 to fix this if you're buying a Supra. The first modification I would probably do is beamer coat. What beamer coat is, it allows you to coat off specific things onto the Supra, like folding in your mirror when you lock it, opening your mirror. You can change the chiming tones on the seat belts and whatnot. The auto on and auto off, you have to press it every single time you get in the car. You always gotta press this button, but I always forget, and when I'm at a red light, the car shuts off, and I look like an idiot. Coating that off gives you a peace of mind, and you never have to worry about pressing that button again, because let's be real, none of us use that button. Secondly, active sound design. What active sound design is to pump artificial sounds through the vents. I think it sounds tacky, and when I turned it off, especially having an aftermarket exhaust, it sounds way, way better. Shit, that sounds crazy. So with beamer code, the application on your phone costs roughly $50, and then you can get a Bluetooth OBD adapter, which is about $30. And through that, you're able to code as much things you want off of your Supra or BMW. But if you have a friend that has beamer code already and an Bluetooth OBD reader, it's free because it's not locked to one car. If any of my friends, including you guys, ever see me in person and want these things coded off, because I've already bought the stuff, it'll cost you nothing, just my time. So that's one of the first mods that I would probably do, and it could be free. Next, what I would install is suspension and wheels. It doesn't matter if it's a Supra, any car that I owned, I would always have to do suspension and wheels first. I think that it adds so much personality to the car. It makes your car look completely different from just a normal stock Supra. Currently, I'm running the V3 Coilovers. However, there's a solution for whatever your budget may be. Whether it's on the lower end, $300, $500, you can get a good pair of springs, or air ride or coilovers, and you spend a couple thousand. For springs, there's Swift springs, H&R springs, roughly $300 or so, and you can really fix the ride height and the wheel gap, and it's gonna make your car look a lot better. Up until adjustable springs, which is about $900, where you just install the springs on, and you can have the ability to adjust your height however you want. And then there's the coilovers, where you have complete control. The reason why I went with the V3s is I wanted a more track-oriented setup, as well as a streetable setup too, and the V3s are very, very comfortable. Nextly, to pair with the suspension, I would do wheels. First off, I think the stock wheels are horrendous. The two-tone colors is so ugly, in my opinion. If you like it, that's your personal taste. But what I would do is I would definitely replace the wheels, whether it's refinishing your wheels and powder coating a different color, black or bronze. I've seen multiple colors be done and they look way, way better. If you're running a stock wheel setup, I would do spacers to make the wheel more flush with the fender line, especially if you drop it. Right now, I am running the TE37 Sagas. I'm running 18 by 10 plus 25 in the front and 18 by 11 plus 34 in the back. Personally, I think that the TE37 Sagas look better in 18 inches because you're running a Face 5 in the rear. Face 5 means it's the most concave spec, and base 4 in the front. TE37s in 19 inches are the SLs or the Ultras, and they're very flat based. Pros, it looks better. The cons, I sit even lower. The tires that I'm running in the front, 275 35s in the front, and I'm running 315s 30 in the back. I know a lot of people probably think the TE37s are overrated or just even overpriced, but there are a lot of good affordable forged wheels like Apex and Titan wheels. The Titan TS5s look really, really good. Our buddy Jimmy is actually running them. They're a very affordable forged wheel, proven on the track as well. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get a good looking wheel. Anything looks better than those stock wheels. I would say suspension and wheels totally change up the look of the Supra and makes your car look different. The next part I would install on my Supra would be a downpipe, catless or catted. I honestly think the downpipe changes the whole tone of the car and makes it sound way better. The stock downpipe is very restrictive, so you don't get a lot of that exhaust tone. You can't change your exhaust, but honestly, I think the downpipe makes it sound a lot better than just changing out the exhaust. If you run a catless downpipe, you will get a check engine light, unless you're able to tune out the car. But if you're okay with seeing a check engine light, then it's absolutely safe to run a catless downpipe without a tune. I personally think that the catless downpipes are a lot too raspy and too loud. I'm running an AMS Catted Downpipe. The AMS Catted Downpipe, I think, gives it a very deep and more mature pitch to the exhaust, and it sounds amazing. I would recommend getting a Catted Downpipe, one, because it sounds better to me, and two, you don't get the check engine light. If you get a AMS Catted Downpipe or Active Auto Works, or something that's Jesse approved, EPA approved, then you're gonna be good running that downpipe anywhere. You won't get a check engine light 100%. So you don't have to drive around with a Christmas tree, and your car sounds a lot better. And then when you're ready to actually unlock your car and tune it with the downpipe, you get a lot more power, a lot more performance.
All right, man. What's the last part?
Okay, how many parts? So we listed 4 parts so far. The first one was beamer code. The second was suspension. Third was wheels. Fourth was the downpipe. The 5th mod that I would probably pick, it's pretty tough. It'd probably be between the M-style carbon fiber mirror caps or front lip. The reason why I probably picked those two is because I honestly think it adds so much personality to the car. The mirror caps completely change the look of the car, and the front lip just looks like it belonged there. The stock bumper looks like it's missing something, and there are a lot of great lip options. If I were to pick between one of them, I would probably pick the lip first and then the mirror caps afterwards. For lips, there's a lot of options. You could get carbon fiber ones. Some of them are very expensive, well over $1,000. But you could probably find some lips that are around like $600 and $900 too. If you're balling on a budget like I was, I actually went with a Maxton V2 design lip first. And Maxton Design has a lot of different options. But the reason why I went with that was because I was scared of spending money on a carbon fiber lip and then breaking it because my car is so low. The Maxton Design lips actually come in polyurethane or this plastic, so it can really take a beating. I've been running it for over a year now, and my lip is still in good shape. Personally, I want a carbon fiber one. At this time, I'm just running the Maxton Design lip until I can find one that I like. Yeah, that would be my last mod, the lip. Dude, I actually forgot. I drove the car the other day, and I actually finally broke the lip. As you can see right here, I did not see the big dip. I ran in and it cracked off. Hopefully the camera could catch it. But if this was a carbon fiber lip, it would be donezo. And honestly, I'd rather spend $150 than $900 and break my lip. All right, guys, so that's the first 5 mods that I would do on my Supra if I had to do it all over again. Dan, is there anything you'd do differently?
I don't know, man, but I like the mirror cap though.
You like the mirror caps more than the lip?
Guys, look at this. Carbon fiber.
Carbon
Fiber.
Do you think about, so all the other mods you would do the same?
Yeah.
I personally think I do the lip, but both are great. That'd probably definitely be a 6 mod. What's the first 5 mods you guys would do? Please comment down below. Would you guys do exactly what I said? Or would you change it up and make it a little different? I'm actually very curious to know what you guys think and how you guys would do your Supra. But thank you so much for watching. We're gonna do a lot more videos like this just because of the weather. The weather's been really poo-poo lately, so we can't get together with our friends and do installs. I try to save all my parts so that I can install with my friends now. Today, I had to pick up Dan because obviously he couldn't drive the M3 in the snow. So comment down below what other type of videos you think we should make as well. Help us, because I'm running out of ideas and I want to put out more videos for you. Thank you again, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.